Greetings everybody. Myself Palkumar Patel. What if I ask you that I am giving you a string which contains uppercase characters as well as lowercase characters, and your task is too much simple. You just need to convert the uppercase characters to lowercase characters. Yes, today we are going to solve this simple problem 709 to lowercase. Okay, and we will start by understanding the problem, then moving to the most optimal solution directly because of the problem being much simpler, and then we will just recap what we did and what can be other parts too. So let's just start by understanding what the problem is trying to say. So a task, as I mentioned, it's too much simple. We are given an input string which contains lowercase characters as well as some uppercase characters too. And our task is simple, that we just need to convert the uppercase characters to lowercase. Okay, so let's just move by getting to the most optimal solutions directly because it is much simpler, and normally every coder can just directly know that what we can do to solve this problem. So our straightforward approach that we get by just seeing the problem is that we will iterate from the start character to the end character of the string, and if we get a character which is present between capital A to capital Z, which will be getting us to check if the character that we are on, if it's present between uppercase characters range, then if that condition is correct, then and then only we will convert it to the lowercase directly. We have now, for converting lowercase, we have two approaches which are most common. We can just use the toLower named method, okay, to directly convert it. Otherwise we can just increase the value of the current character by adding 32 to it, okay, because normally we can do it by adding 32 because we are dealing that way by using ASCII characters. Okay, that way we can just catch the ASCII value of the current character. We will just, after adding 32, it will just convert itself to lowercase according to ASCII characters we have. Okay, let me give an example. If we are on capital A, then its ASCII value will be 65. Then we need to convert it to small a. So we'll just add 32 to it. After adding 32 to 65, we will convert it to 97, which is the ASCII value of small a. So now you know that after adding 32, we can just convert capital A to small a, which is our task. So let's just do that. As I mentioned, we will just start by iterating from the start character to the end character of the given input string. Okay, and we'll just check that if the current character that we are on, if it's in the range of capital A to small a, then what we'll do, simple thing, we will just add 32 to it, simple and sorted. And after doing all of that conversions, we will just return S back because we need to return the complete string again. So this was a simple solution. Let's just check if it works or not. So yeah, it works perfect. So after submitting that, as you can see, it is perfect, the best solution for this. Again, as I mentioned, we can just directly write toLower method too. Okay, it is another solution. Okay, we can use that too. Okay, I forgot that there is a mistake that I just forgot to assign. Okay, for using this method, we just need to assign the character after converting it to lower by using the toLower method to the same exact character that we are currently on. So I just added that part that we assigned. Now it should work perfectly because I just forgot the actual syntax that what to do. So yeah, it works perfectly. Okay, so after submitting, you know, it's perfectly work. So these were the two proper methods that we can use to solve this problem. Okay, obviously we are just not discussing the brute force approach because it's much complex, which can't be normally used for solving this problem. So these were the solutions that we can use normally for solving this problem. If you like the way I explain and I solve these type of coding related LeetCode problems and other type of problems, you can just like the video and subscribe to the channel too. If you want the source code, then you can check the GitHub links which are present in the description of the video. Also, if you want to connect with me personally, then you can check my social connections link, which are also present in the description of the video. So yeah, for these type of content, you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for staying till the end. Thank you.